Trust the process, guys. Trust the process, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having a wonderful day. Today I am looking crusty because I am doing a special video for you guys, all right? So I'm just going to jump right on in this. This is going to be a get ready with me. I'm going to do this makeup look and I am going to do a glueless wig install, all right? Which is going to be very simple. This is going to be quick. I like doing things quick, all right? So what we're going to do right now, we are going to jump right in it and add my Dr. Dennis Gross. I think it's Gross. I don't know why I've been saying Gross. Dr. Dennis Gross B3 Adaptative Superfood Stress Repair Face Cream. Alright, so I think I need a little bit more. And I'm just going to put this all over my face. So what I'm going to do first is my eyebrow. So this is my Nars Sheer Glow Vanuatu color, shade medium 3.5. So I'm just taking a little bit, just dab it here and dab it on this beauty blender and just press in. So you don't want to wipe because you're going to wipe off everything. And I didn't put any primer or anything over my eyes because I'm going to put something else over my eyes. So right now we're taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. Okay, see the difference? I just want you to see eyebrow, no eyebrow. Now, I'm not big on thick eyebrows because I just naturally just don't have thick eyebrows. Now, I'm going to use my paint pod. This is from MAC. I hope I didn't say that was a MAC. This is Nars foundation, but this is the MAC paint pod. And paint my eyelid. Kind of just pat it in. This is going to help with the color pop because I'm using a white pat. Go along my arch. Now this is real quick. And since I have like a lid that covers over, my eyes cover over my lid, I've tried to go a little bit higher so you can see the color. Because you're only going to see all the magic if I close my eyes. Oh, I didn't tell you this color. Well, it is called Expensive Pink. Or, under the cover color. The same brush, a little in the corner, because just because want a little brighten, and up here, a little here. And don't ask me, am I going to blend? Because I am. I just want to get all the color on and then blend it all together. And see how it comes out. I'm not a makeup artist by any means. Okay, so we are going to take my blender and blend all this in. Blend and blend and blend and blend. Okay, it looks pretty blended. Yep, reason why I do it at the end is because I wanted the colors to mix in. Just along that brow bone. Okay, see? And I do apply everything before I blend. That's just how I do it. And I really don't have like, sometimes I have an idea of what I want. I just put like colors together and hopefully it looks good. And if anything, for all else fails, always go dark. This one color is called Black Lace, number 304 from Sephora. It's really pigmented, I tell you that. Really good. I like Sephora brand. I really like Sephora brand. Tip of it doesn't want to go. So I'm just going to take this one because I still want to use the, I'm going to use some more of the white. But I just wanted like a natural neutral base. That was Sephora waterproof retractable eyeliner. This has glitter in it, so it is kind of faded. Can't really tell what color that is, but it's black with glitter in it. So if you like glitter or want even more of a pop, try it out. So I used the tail for this. This is going to be like really, really simple. We're pretty much down to the wire right now. Now I'm going to just use my foundation. I don't plaster a whole bunch of foundation on. Let it oxidize, and then that way it'll be nice and, you know, beautiful. So I'm using this Nars Orgasm highlighter blush. It is beautiful. It is dual purpose. I love it. And I'm just going to add some blush. Now, again, this is like super duper quick. Can somebody give me some advice on how you don't crumble your eyeshadow palettes, please? I don't know what's going on, what I'm doing wrong. But I'll take any advice, okay? Always put mascara on. It'll help out. Okay. The hell? Do the lips. So I want to try this ombre thing out. I think this is brown. It looks brown red. This is another Sephora. So, we got everything, the makeup on, and now we are going to put on this wig. Alright? So, this is 150 density. Alright, 1B with blonde highlights. Alright? And this is Body Wave But when you wet it, it actually gets like nice, loose, deep wave. So I like that. Alright, we are going to put this on. Add my adjustable straps. Don't really need them because I have the band. But the only bad thing is it's very hard. I'm not too fond of the placement of this wig. So I ordered this wig after I saw some good reviews online. Alright. It's an HD lace 18-inch 5x5 body wave wig. Oh, that actually worked a lot better than I anticipated. So I take that back. Okay. Yes. That's how quick it was. It's a glueless wig. Installed, done in minutes. Lightly plucked. I love it. If you can see. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Hope you like this video. Alright, this was really, really fun to do. It came out really, really nice. Trust the process, guys. Trust the process, okay? Makeup is all about creativity. As long as it looks nice and it's applied properly, you can almost probably get away with anything. You know what I'm saying? Beauty is subjective. So go ahead, have fun. I hope this video, again, was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe below. Turn on your notifications. That way you know every time I post a video, okay? So stay tuned for more. Alright, and comment and let me know what you want to see again. Alright, hope this was helpful. Later.